ice accretion.
Okay. AAE is the ATL recommendation flying in icing condition. ATL recommendation regarding anticipate is to provide to the crew sufficient means to improve the situation awareness regarding the icing. Some tools are available, JEPSN, EWAS application, and we recommend during the brief, during the threat risk management, to take into consideration the protection against the icing. The crew will remind the key figures and take some decision to avoid by preparation, by changing the route, and to remind also the figures regarding the minimum speed in icing condition.
Today fly expected between Toulouse and Rennes, expected zero fuel weight 20 tons, fuel on board 2 tons, so expected gross weight will be 22 tons. 22 tons in ISA plus 10 conditions, give us maximum flight level of 185 for cruise. On the track you can expect icing conditions, it's confirmed here on the track. Okay. 2-3 areas of icing conditions.
As usual, you have the paper charts regarding some hazards, thunderstorm, icing, turbulence. Nevertheless, nowadays, as a modern world, we have some new technology available by connection via Wi-Fi or by phone, and with that you can have some predicted weather also. So it's not required to have a SATCOM on board. You just upload prior the takeoff, and then after you will have also a forecast during your flight available on your device on board.
We can expect an optimum icing cruising level 160 today.
Yes, for sure.
So regarding threat and error management, today one of our threats will be icing conditions. To face the threat, we're gonna follow HER procedures. And in case of severe icing, we'll escape. Severe icing will be not able to maintain icing mode plus 10 or in climb vertical speed below 100 feet per minute.
Okay.
Okay for you?
Yes, clear, no question. The second A is avoid. Avoid, it's to follow the system available on board, which displays some warnings. The second point for avoid, it's the energy management. The energy management, two key figures, the rate of climb, more than 300 feet per minute, and the minimum cruise speed, icing mode plus 40, and to follow the procedure.
Marseille Control, Fox Euro, Mayday, severe icing conditions, descending level 100, we call you back.
E, it's escape. Escape, the decision has to be taken if you are not able to climb with more than 150 per minute, or if you are not able to cruise more than ICB plus 10 knots. The procedure, it's an emergency procedure. You have to scope Mayday and you have to descend. Review the procedure and follow the procedure is the key of the safety.
7 degrees that.
Okay, entering icing condition.
Anti-icing
Yes.
is on, icing you agree.
Check 170 magenta.
Check.
Okay, I have some ice on the external probe, so
Okay.
you can set de-icing on.
De-icing on, ice accretion. De-icing is on. Ice accretion checklist.
Yes, ice accretion checklist.
IS maintain at or above icing bug.
Yes,
Anti-icing prop on side windows confirm on.
confirm on.
Engine de-icing on.
Confirmed.
Airframe de-icing.
Confirm on.
In flap 0 configuration, IS
Yes.
maintain at or above icing bug plus 5.
Yeah. So set manual speed, icing bug plus 10.
Speedman 175 set.
Check 175.
IS and vertical speed monitor.
Copy IS and vertical speed.
If unable to maintain recommended speed
No.
for the given configuration, if
Able.
unable to maintain a rate of climb above 100 feet per minute,
Able.
if any abnormal vibration,
No.
if any severe icing visual cue.
No, nothing on the side.
Okay, so in all other cases,
Yes.
procedure complete.
Copy. Okay.
Icing,
Icing, yes.
ice detection. I confirm.
Yes, confirmed, already done for the procedure. Climbing 500 feet per minute,
Check.
400 feet. Okay, rate of climb 300 feet per minute.
Check.
Okay, 200 feet, 100 feet per minute. Okay, unable to climb. So could you call ATC to level of 130?
Marseille Control, Fox Euro requesting level of 130, please.
Fox Euro, Roger, level of flight level 130.
130 blue.
Check.
Below 1000 to go.
Check.
Alstar, set
Check.
speed auto.
In auto speed will give us 216 magenta.
Copy. Speed increase, set auto speed.
Auto speed will give us 216 magenta.
216 magenta, check. Always in icing condition, we monitor speed.
Yes.
Speed is stuck at 187.
Check. Ice suppression.
Yes, confirmed. On my side.
Speed seems to decrease.
Yes, a little bit.
216. Degraded perf.
Okay, apply degraded perf procedure.
Icing maintain above icing bug plus 10.
Okay, manual speed icing bug plus 10.
Check. AP disengage.
Yes, it is disengage.
175 blue set.
Copy.
Increase speed checklist.
Okay.
Increase above icing bug plus 10. Severe icing procedure apply.
Copy. Apply.
Severe icing procedure. Increase maintain icing bug plus 10.
Copy.
Pro management MCT.
Okay, MCT.
SIL 1 and 2 100 override.
Yes, do it.
PL1 plus 2 adjusts. Hold firmly control column and wheel to avoid non-expected aircraft movement at AP disengagement.
Yes,
AP disengage.
it is done.
If IS below icing bug plus 30.
Yes, it is below.
FD standby.
Copy. I fly
and
manually.
Max bank angle 15 degrees.
Copy 15.
Descent initiate. Severe icing conditions escape.
Okay.
ATC notify.
Okay, so descend, call ATC for flight level 100.
Marseille Control, Fox Euro, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Severe icing conditions descending now, level 100. Level,
Euro, Mayday, descent flight level 100.
level 100, set safety altitude, level 60.
Copy, set manual speed, icing bug plus 30.
205 is set.
195.
Squawk Mayday set.
Copy. Set 195, manual speed.
My mistake. 195 set.
Okay, I'm flying 195, so you can re-engage FD in LNAV vertical speed.
LNAV green, vertical speed, Altcel blue, minus 1000 feet per minute.
Check. Continue.
If abnormal aircraft roll behavior.
No.
Okay. As long as aircraft is not clear of ice.
Yeah.
Flaps do not retract.
Copy.
We are at 0. For approach and landing, approach configuration flap 15.
Copy. 1000 to go.
FD can be re-engaged. High bank turns can be performed.
Copy.
GPWS flaps override.
Done.
Steep slope approach prohibited.
Not concerned.
Approach landing speed VMHB 15 icing plus wind effect plus 5 knots.
Copy.
Landing distance flap 30 multiplied by 2.12.
Copy.
ILS Cat 2 is prohibited.
Not concerned.
During flare, pitch attitude do not exceed 8 degrees.
Copy.
Procedure is complete.
Copy. So decision, we are reaching flight level 100. I will do an assessment of performance. For me, I have no more ice on the external probe, neither on the airframe.
We are out of icing conditions regarding temperature.
Yes, so you can check FMA and set AP on.
Icing AOA green, LR green, VS green, Altcel blue. Autopilot is on.
Alstar,
AP green. Check.
set auto speed.
Speed auto. I give you 2 to 8 magenta.
Okay, so clear of ice. You can set de-ice off.
Out of icing conditions. De-icing is off. Anti-icing is off.
We can apply when clear of ice.
Are we clear of ice now?
Yes, I confirm.
Okay, when clear of ice. The aircraft consider clear of ice when AEP is free of ice. Ice in your push button off.
Yeah.
Confirmed.
Confirm.
Normal speed use.
Okay,
Procedure
auto
complete.
speed. You can reset CL and auto position
CL auto,
and set power management cruise.
cruise, and may I cancel the squawk mayday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Marseille Control, Fox Euro Mayday, out of severe icing condition now, back to normal flight.
Fox Euro, Roger.
Okay.